Sezzle versus Afterpay versus Affirm. Which one should you be using for buy now, pay later? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Sezzle, Afterpay, and Affirm, three of the most popular BNPL buy now, pay later platforms, so you can decide which one actually fits your budget and spending habits. Let's start with Sezzle. Sezzle is great if you want to split payments into 4 interest-free installments. Perfect for smaller purchases, like clothes or accessories. It reports to credit bureaus, which could help build credit over time, but missed payments can hurt too. Now let's talk about Afterpay. Afterpay works pretty much the same way. 4 interest-free payments, no surprises. It's widely accepted online and in stores, especially at fashion brands. But like Sezzle, late fees apply if you miss a payment. Finally, there's Affirm. Affirm gives you more flexibility. You can choose to pay in 3, 6, or even 12 months, and sometimes longer. Some offers come with interest, some don't. It depends on the merchant. Great for bigger purchases like furniture or electronics. So which one is better? If you're buying something small and want no interest or fees as long as you pay on time, go with Sezzle or Afterpay. But if you're making a larger purchase and want flexible payment options, Affirm might give you more breathing room. All three are legit, just built for different kinds of spending. Let me know in the comments which one you use most. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.